Hi students, how are you? I hope you are well at home. In the last class, we discussed about a treat for mosquitoes. In this lesson, we learned about different diseases like anemia, malaria, chikungunya, dengue, Zika virus, such type of diseases. Okay children, I hope you understood that lesson. Okay, now in this class, we will discuss about textual questions. Okay children, listen carefully and copy in your textbook. Okay, now let's move on to textual questions. See here, page number 68. First question, do you know anyone who has had malaria? Okay children, the answer is yes. One of my friends once suffered from malaria. Okay, so for this question you have to write your own answer. If anyone suffered in your family or your friend, okay, ask your parents and write down. Okay ma? Now next one, how did they find out that they had malaria? Okay children, the answer is it was found by blood test. Okay, now third one, what problems did they have on having malaria? Okay, the answer is when he was suffering from malaria, he faced problems like fever, body ache, vomiting and weakness. Okay children, so these are the symptoms for malaria. Okay, next, what other diseases can be caused by mosquito bites other than malaria? Okay, the answer is diseases such as dengue, chikungunya, yellow fever and filaria can be caused by mosquito bites. Okay children, now next, fifth one, in which season is malaria more common? Why do you think this happens? Okay, the answer is malaria is seen more commonly during rainy season because that is their breeding time for mosquitoes. Okay children, in which season? It is in rainy season. Why? Because that is their breeding time. Okay, next sixth one, what do you do in your house to protect yourself from mosquitoes? And also find out from your friends about what they do. Not only you have to write about your friends what they have to do to protect themselves from mosquitoes. Okay, the answer is we adopt the following measures to protect ourselves from mosquitoes in our house. What we have to do to protect ourselves? Here the first point, we keep our surroundings neat and clean. Okay, now second one, we do not allow water to get collected for a long time in our surroundings. That means pits. Okay children, if we have any pit in our surroundings, then what happened? The water is stagnated there and automatically mosquitoes lay eggs on the water. Okay, that's why do not allow water. Okay ma? Next, third one, we usually spray a layer of kerosene over pools. Why? Because kerosene, it forms a layer on the surface of water. Okay, and also it spoils the mosquito's eggs. Okay, that's why we have to spray kerosene or oil, whatever it is, no problem. Okay, we usually spray a layer of kerosene over pools. Okay, ma. Next, we use mosquito repellents and mosquito nets to protect ourselves from mosquitoes. We also keep our coolers, pots clean by changing their water regularly. Okay, so here mosquito repellents means mosquito coils all out, good night, or odomos. Those are called mosquito repellents. Or also we have to use mosquito nets. Okay, children? Okay. And also we have to clean air coolers, pots, whatever it is. We have to change the water regularly. Okay, children? Okay, this is the answer. Now, see seventh one. Look at the report of the blood test given here. Which words in the report help us to know that the person has malaria? Here we have observed this. What are the words? The words malaria parasite. The words malaria parasite found in blood sample helps us to know that person has malaria. See here, malaria parasites found in blood group or blood sample. Okay, so by these words we have to find out the person is suffering from malaria. Okay, children. Now next one. See here, page number 17. Look at Arthi's blood report and find out the minimum required hemoglobin. Okay, see here. See what was her name? Arthi. Arthi. How many years? 12 years. What they diagnosed? So, she is suffering from anemia. What is the disease? Anemia. Okay. So, how much percentage she has? 8. How much? 8 hemoglobin percentage gram per deciliters. Okay, children. Okay. Now see here. After some time, here doctor suggested some medicines and diet also. By taking and following doctor's suggestion, she automatically recovered. See here. So after the treatment, Aarti, how many years? 12 years. Here, see, compare these two, 8 points. Here, 10.5. Okay, children? Okay. Now, next one. So, how much percentage we have normally? We have 12. 12 points. Okay, ma'am. Now, next one. How much did Arthi's hemoglobin go up and how long did it take for that? Okay, the answer is Arthi's hemoglobin went up by 2.5 grams gm per dl. dl means deciliters. And it took 2 months and 25 days to rise it up. Okay, once we will move back and see here percentage. How many? 8. Here, after taking the treatment, 10.5. Okay, ma'am. Now, see here how much it was increased. That means hemoglobin went up by 2.5 gm per dl. Okay, how much time it took? It took 2 months and 25 days to raise it up. Okay, children. Now, third one. What does the newspaper report say about the problems caused by anemia? Generally, we observe in the newspaper what happened in our surroundings. Everything we have to observe in the newspaper. Okay, well, see the answer. Newspaper report states that anemia affects both mental and physical health of a child. Okay, it causes problems in children's growth, reducing their energy levels, which in turn affects their education also. Okay, if we don't have sufficient amount of blood in our body, our metabolic activities gradually reduce. That's why we couldn't pay proper interest on studies, playing, whatever it is. Okay, that's why it affects both mental and physical health of a child. And also it affects the growth and education of the child. Okay, children? Okay, don't neglect the diet. Take proper diet. It automatically increases your blood levels. Okay, children? Okay, now next. Have you or anyone in your family ever needed to get a blood test? When and why? Yes, last year I had to get my blood tested. I was suffering from severe fever. Okay, now fifth one, what was found out by the blood test? Now only we discussed. Okay, in the last year we got blood test because of severe fever. Okay, here the blood test reports said that I was suffering from malaria. Okay, not only for malaria, we can diagnose any disease by the blood test. Typhoid, malaria, dengue, chikungunya, such type of diseases was diagnosed by the blood test. Okay, children. Now, next one. Ask a doctor or elders about the food items which contain iron. Okay, so here iron is the most important. Okay, uh, the hemoglobin. It is very important component in the hemoglobin. Okay, children. Okay, then what kind of food items? We have iron. Okay, some of the main food items which contain iron are jaggery. Jaggery means bellam, amla, usuri. That means vitamin C containing food items. Not only amla, vitamin C. That means amla, citron, kamlapala, sweet lemon. Okay, bhaktai, pomegranate, all these items. Okay, ma. And more green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables means totokora, gongora, palakora, such type of green leafy vegetables. By taking all these food items, definitely our blood levels increases. Okay, children? Okay. Now, page number 72. Find out and tell. Okay. First one. Have you seen any poster like this put up anywhere? Okay, so what kind of poster it is? In the last class I shown you. See it in your page number 72. Okay, yes, I have seen such posters near my schools. Okay, where we have to observe such kind of posters? Where? Near our schools. Okay, children. Okay, why? Because so beware of mosquitoes. Okay, that means to reduce the mosquitoes population. Not only our school, in municipal office, next dump yards. So some public places also we have to observe such kind of postures. Okay, ma. Now second one, who do you think put up such posters or give ads in the newspapers? Okay, now see, our government, that means government authority may put up such posters or give ads in the newspapers. By doing so, they are providing information. Our government means municipality, panchayat, those are called government authorities. They only put up such posters and give advertisements in newspapers and in mics. They are canvassing in rainy seasons also. Why? Because they provide information. That means to reduce the uh, spreading of diseases. Okay, children? Okay. Now, next one. What are some of the important points given in poster? So, what kind of information we have to know? See, some of the important points that are given in the poster. What are those? Names of diseases spread by mosquitoes. Okay. Next, measures to be taken to prevent growth of mosquitoes in our surroundings. Okay, now third one, ways to protect ourselves from mosquito bites. అంటే దోమలు ఎక్కువగా పెరగకుండా ఉండటం కోసం మనం ఏమి చేయాలి, ఎలాంటి డిసీజెస్ వస్తాయి, లేదా మస్కిటోస్ నుంచి మనల్ని మనం ఎలా ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి, ఇవన్నీ కూడా పోస్టర్లో వాళ్ళు ఇమేజెస్తో పోస్టర్స్ని వాళ్ళు బయట పోస్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నౌ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, వై డూ యూ థింక్ pictures of a tank, cooler and pits are shown in the poster? Okay, so here the answer is tank, cooler and pits are the places where water can stagnate and would become the favorable sites for mosquito breeding and multiplication. Okay children, these are the common places, okay, for mosquito breeding. That's why commonly they give such kind of pictures like tank, coolers, pits. Okay, children. After watching this class, you listen carefully these question and answers and note down in your CW and practice these questions without seeing. This is the homework to you children. Okay, thank you.